I am here with Byton, and why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Florian Bauer. I'm Director of Product Management at Byton, and welcome to your Byton M-Byte.
Okay, and so what do we have here inside the car on the dash?
So this is the Byton M-Byte. So what you see here, this is my home screen with my widgets, right? The home screen might look completely different for your use case. That's why we created a highly customizable interface so that we can display the content that is relevant to you at the right time in the right place. So you might be interested in your sports stats, your stock information, and so on. You might want your Twitter feed, or you want to change it to your news feed. You want to see the time zone, etc. So we are working with Alexa Automotive to integrate voice into this vehicle. We have 5 ways to interact with the system. We have facial recognition, we have touch, we have gesture, we have a reduced set of buttons, and of course we also want to engage in the best voice execution as possible.
And when can you talk to Alexa right now?
All right, yeah, let's pull up something. So, what's the status of my fridge? So if you have a smart fridge, for example, you will now be able to check remotely if you have spontaneous dinner plans and you don't really remember if you have the stuff you need. So if you don't, you will be able to then continue your journey and find the missing groceries you need. You will be able to continue using Alexa in the car to order your groceries at home or add something to your shopping cart.
Excellent. That's the biggest Alexa screen I've seen so far too in an automobile. It's awesome.